Okay, Highway 83 fans. Today we're going to be talking about that Toyota 3K carburetor again. And I know you guys have heard about it. We're about, what, 50,000 views on our installation video. A lot of you guys have watched it and installed them. And I just want to make a clarification today that the carburetor itself is a good product. Gary over at Certified Machine does a kick-ass job of supplying that. So stop asking us. We do not sell the carburetor. Go to Gary at Certified Machine. I know some of you guys have bought them on the cheap on eBay or Amazon and pieced together the kit. That's cool too. But today, the main thing we want to talk about is the Toyota 3K carburetor is not a performance part. This is not an upgrade part. This will not give you extra horsepower or performance in any such way. This is a fantastic substitute or replacement for the original carburetor. It will function amazingly and is super cheap and easy to install. Those are the highlights of it. But a lot of guys think, oh yeah, Tony just installed this carburetor and he must like it because it is a performance part. It is not. No, I have never said that. Nobody will ever say that. And that's what this video is about. This carburetor is merely a great way to get your Samurai running, because the original carburetor is 40 years old. It will be gunked up with all kinds of bad gas. The emissions components will be plugged up or non-functioning, and your car will run like dog crap. So yeah, if you're a Samurai guy, you're normally pretty cheap and you want a $100, $200 carburetor, slap it on there and your truck runs again. That's the sole purpose of this. Easy, cheap, and it works. But please do not spread the rumor that this part, this carburetor, Toyota 3K carburetor, is a performance enhancing device, because it is not. It is not at all. If you want performance, you're going to have to look into the Harley carb, the Weber carb, fuel injection, turbocharging, supercharging, you know, bigger engine, 1.6 engine, 2.0, 2.3 engine. If you want power, those are your options, especially, you know, just changing the engine out to a bigger Suzuki model like the Sidekick or the Grand Vitara 2.3 or the Esteem or whatever the hell those engines you may find them in. So please stop recommending this as a performance part, but do keep installing it if you want your truck to run great for a cheap amount of money. And of course, watch our installation video on that Toyota 3K carburetor, because we did a great job. You know, a little pat on the back for Jennifer and myself. And 50,000 views can't be wrong. So, you know, we're creeping up on that. So thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for all your support as always. Go grab yourself a High Life, go to the Highway 83 website, buy some stuff, check out some of the videos we're gonna post down below, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys on the next video.